Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find your deleted friends on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead, step into our video. For that matter, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, first access a particular Facebook app. Once you have done so, go back to the home section of yours, and this is the interface that you're going to encounter afterwards. Tap on your profile icon with 3 horizontal line on top, and tap on this gear icon on top. And now you're gonna go ahead, scroll down till you find this option called activity log. Here in this your activity section, go ahead, tap on it, and you're gonna find all kinds of information, including your activity across Facebook, your personal information, connections, and you can see who and how you have connected with people and Facebook, including things such as friends and followers. Tap on it, and now you can see this will open up this friends, followers, supervision. You can go to this option called friends. Again, tap on this drop down menu, and then you will find this option called removed friends. Tap on it, and here in this section you're going to find all of the removed friends that you have removed, with including the dates. You can tap on this 3 dot beside, and you can choose to delete them, but you can find those friends that you have deleted or removed. That is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.